A small bird tumbles from the sky, landing softly beneath a tree. One wing bent. The sunset glows in the distance. One day, a little bird fell from the sky. Its wing was broken, its spirit too. For the first time, it could not fly. The bird sits on a branch, watching other birds soar above. It hops weakly, trying to lift off but failing. Days turned into weeks. The world kept moving, while the bird remained grounded. But inside, a spark of hope refused to fade. The bird slowly stretches its wing each day, practicing little hops. The sky reflected in its eyes. With every small effort, the bird grew stronger. With every sunrise, its courage returned. The bird leaps once more, this time. Its wings catch the wind. It soars upward into the golden sunset. Free at last. It fell 7 times, but it rose the 8th. Because your comeback will always be stronger than your setback.